Hi students, in today's session we shall discuss about thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the important chapter for mains level. So you can expect one question from this chapter, one question or 4 marks from this chapter. So in order to start this session, let us discuss about some basic terms related to thermodynamics. First of all, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is it is a branch of science. Branch of science which deals with the flow, of heat energy. Flow of heat or energy of reaction, and their interconversion. Okay, so usually thermodynamics, the chapter title itself, we can understand here. Thermo means heat or energy. Thermo is heat or energy. Dynamics means flow or motion. So in thermodynamics chapter, main topics are first law of thermodynamics, FLOT, then second law of thermodynamics, and thermochemistry. These are the important topics in this chapter: thermochemistry and first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics. Okay, this is the just a basic introduction about thermodynamics. Let us discuss about some basic terms related to this chapter. So the first very important basic term is system. So here system is nothing but it is the part of, it is the part of universe. The part of universe which is under our observation. So anything, whatever it may be, system just defined as it is part of the universe, and which is under our observation. So that that should be under our observation. For example, tea in a cup, it is a system. Tea in a cup, it is an example for a system. So system means whatever it may be, anything, it is part of the universe, and that is under our observation. So next term, important term, surroundings. Here surroundings means it is also part of the universe except system, remaining, except system, remaining part of the universe. Remaining part of the universe is called surroundings. So surroundings means just except system, the remaining part of the universe, that is called surroundings. For example, tea in a cup is a system. Then except this system, the remaining portion. So it is a tea in a cup. So this is a system. So except the system, remaining everything is called surroundings. Complete portion. The complete portion in the universe except system is called surroundings. So here what we can write, universe is nothing but it is system, surroundings, both collectively called universe. System plus surroundings. Universe is called system plus surroundings. System plus surroundings is called universe. Then another important term, boundary. Boundary. Here, boundary is nothing but boundary means the surface separation. The surface separation that just which is separating, okay, which is separating the system, the surface separating, which is separating the system and surroundings. Surroundings. Just with the surface which is separating the system and surrounding is called boundary. So here boundary, it may be real, or imaginary. It may be real or imaginary. Okay, it may be rigid, non-rigid, non-rigid. So real means what? So boundary, for example, tea in a cup. So it has a boundary. So okay. So the surface, this is called surface which is separating system and surroundings. And here the upper layer of the tea is also separating system and surroundings. So the surface which is separating the system and surroundings and system. So this is called now boundary. So it may be real or imaginary. For example, ocean. So there is a upper layer, so that is separating the system and surroundings. So actually there is no boundary. There is no real boundary. That is imaginary boundary. So it may be rigid or non-rigid. For example, there is a gas in a container or in a vessel. So it has some boundaries. Okay, the gas containing boundaries. So these are rigid. The container walls of the container, that is the surface, and that is the separating system and surroundings. So that means that is rigid. It may be non-rigid also. It may be non-rigid. It may be conducting or non-conducting. Conducting or it may be non-conducting. Conducting or non-conducting. So this is called boundary. Boundary is nothing but whatever it may be. So just it is the surface which is separating the system and surroundings is called boundary. Next, we shall discuss some more important terms. System. System already we have discussed. It is just a part of the universe which is under our observation. So there are different types of systems. The first system is open system. The first system is open system. So open system is nothing but in this type of system, so there is exchange of energy or matter takes place in this type of system. In this type, the exchange of energy or matter. The exchange of energy or matter can takes place. Such type of system is called open system. Okay, in this type of system, in open system, that energy or matter, both energy and matter both can be taken place here. Energy and matter. Energy and matter both can exchange from system to surroundings. For example, tea in a cup. It is an open system. Tea in a cup without closing the cup, without lid. Then hot water in an open vessel, in an open vessel, hot water in an open vessel. So that energy and matter both will be exchanged from system to surrounding. Such a system is called open system. So reaction, and one more example, reaction in an open container, in an open container, reaction in an open container, reaction in an open container. So these are the examples of open system. Next, second type. Next, second type, closed system. Closed system. So you in this type, usually in this type of system, only energy will be can exchange from the system to surroundings, only energy, because it is closed. It is closed. So that is why only energy in the form of radiation, in the form of radiation from the system to surroundings will be exchanged. But matter cannot be exchanged from the system to surroundings because it is a closed system. Clear it is. So in this type of system, only energy can exchange. Energy can exchange, not matter. Not matter. Because it is closed system. In closed system, energy can be exchanged from the system to surroundings, not matter, because it is closed with lid. For example, hot water in a closed vessel. Example, hot water in a closed system. Hot water in a closed system. So this is an example for closed system. Next, reaction in a closed container. Reaction in a closed container. Reaction is in a closed container. So that is closed system. This is a type of system in which only energy in the form of radiation from the system to surroundings will be exchanged, and not matter, but not matter. Examples, hot water in a closed system. Hot water, so that after a certain period of time, so water becomes cool, but water level will not be decreasing because it is a closed system. Then reaction in a closed container, so that reactant molecules or product molecules cannot be exchanged, cannot be escaped from the container, from the system, because it is a closed container. Only energy will be exchanging between system and surroundings. Clear it is. Next, third type, isolated system. Isolated system. So in isolated system, usually there is neither exchange of energy nor exchange of matter takes place. Okay, both, neither energy nor matter can exchange. Neither energy nor matter can exchange between system and surroundings. For example, tea in a thermos flask. Tea in a thermos flask. Tea in a thermos flask. So this is an example for isolated system. So in isolated system, in thermos flask, that neither energy nor matter can exchange between system and surroundings. Clear it is. So total we have discussed about three types of systems. First of all, system is what? System means anything which has anything in the universe. It is just a part of the universe which is under our observation. So here total three types of systems we can see around us. Usually closed system, one is or open system, Open system means it is the matter is exposed to surroundings. So that energy and matter both can transform from the system to surroundings. Example, tea in an open cup. Tea in a cup means open cup. So there is no lid. So next type of closed system. In closed system, only energy will be exchanging. Energy will be transformed between system and surroundings, but not matter. Clear? Example, hot water in a closed vessel. So that matter means water cannot be escaped from the vessel because it is closed. Only energy will be exchanging. So because how do we say that energy is exchanging? Because after certain period of time the water becomes cool. Hot water becomes cool. It means energy is exchanging from the system to surroundings. Next, isolated system. In an isolated system, neither energy nor matter can exchange between system and surroundings. Example, tea in a thermos flask. Clear? So next, universe, because here neither energy nor matter can exchange. Another example, universe. In the universe, the total energy is always constant. Total energy, the total energy, whatever it may be in the form, in different forms it exists. So that in whatever it may be, in whatever state it may be, but the overall energy will be always constant. Clear it is?